In front of me is Samsung Galaxy M55, and today I would like to show you how you can add screen lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access security and privacy. Then click on lock screen and tap on screen lock. Finally, pick one of those login methods by clicking on the best one for you and create it. Then choose continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. When finished, select confirm. Now you can manage lock screen notifications by operating all of those options, or switch them off completely thanks to this switcher at the top. Wherever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So when I switch off my screen and turn it back on, icons that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!